Are you wondering which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we're diving into a comparison of Jan AI and Ollama. Both of these tools help you with tasks like content creation and language processing. They aim to make your life easier by using advanced AI technology, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Jan AI. This tool focuses on generating text and can assist with everything from writing articles to creating social media posts. It's user friendly and designed for both beginners and experienced users. Jan AI also allows for customization so you can tweak the settings to fit your style. Now, let's look at Ollama. This tool also generates text but emphasizes collaboration. Ollama is great for teams working together on projects. It has features that let multiple users edit and provide feedback in real time. This makes it a strong choice for businesses or group projects. Uh, so, what sets them apart? Gen AI is more tailored for individual use, while Ollama shines in team settings. If you work alone, Gen might be your best bet. But if you're part of a team, Ollama could be the better option. When it comes to features, Gen AI offers various templates and styles for writing. Ollama, on the other hand, has tools for collaboration and project management. Each has its strengths depending on what you need. As for pricing, Gen AI typically offers a straightforward plan, while Ollama may have different tiers based on team size and features. In the end, if you are a solo creator, go with Gen AI. If you need a tool for teamwork, Ollama is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.